guys, it's Emily here. I have an exciting video for you guys for your Name for Christmas fans. I am so excited to show you guys this item. I saw this in the store and I ended up getting an Amazon gift card for Christmas. So I bought it with that and I'm super excited. So I'm going to show you guys right now and be prepared to be excitement because this is super cool. So here is what I got. It is Jack's house and it lights up. Yes, super cool. It even comes with a little Jack statue with 0. And then this is his house. So I'm going to show you guys out of this. I did see this before, so this is not the first time, but this is the first time I'm going to set it out in my room. So I'm super excited. So here is the house in the wrap. I will unwrap this, of course. But here is the Jack and 0 statue, and he's also holding a pumpkin. So I have a lot of statues of Jack, of course, but I think this is really cool. It includes this. So it's super cool. And I also want to show you guys the box. On the back it has 0 on it holding a candy cane. I thought that was so cute. And also here's just Jack, and then it's just Jackie on the other side. So I am going to unwrap this for you guys. So it comes with this cord so you can plug in. It's kind of tangled right now, but here is the house. It's actually not that big as you think it looks. I wish it was bigger, honestly, but it is really cute though. It was like $102, but you can find it at different prices at different places, but Amazon's a really good place. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys it plugged in. And I got lucky that it fits right across to the plug I have, because you usually have to use a century cord for things, but luckily I'm good. Here it is. The house is lit up. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in the dark, but right now I'm going to do a zoom in so you guys can see. So here's the gate. It has a jack-o'-lantern right there. And then we go up the steps, and then this is what Jack's house looks like. How cool is that? Pretty cool. So this is the house at night, with the lights turned off. Here's the pumpkin. And then you can see like inside the windows. And then that's where he does his experiment and stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little short video. I know it's really short, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I thought this would be so cool to share of Jack's house. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.